Hello, my name is Danny Chase, and today I'll be teaching you how to do an aerial the cheating way, aka a trick or aerial. Let's get started. You're basically just staying facing this way. For the gymnast aerial, you start forward, you turn sideways, then end up facing the other way. This one's kinda, you just stay facing this way the whole time pretty much. Let me show you what it looks like going towards the camera, because you're going to see my legs are not going above my head. It's kind of cheating it like at this angle-ish. So it looks like this. Boom. So first I just want you to build your confidence. We're going to do a really bad cartwheel like this. That's literally it. Keep your legs down. Just kick your legs over like it's supposed to. I'm assuming you have a cartwheel already if you're trying to learn an aerial. But this is how we're going to do it for now. Boom. Now faster. Boom. Okay, great. Now that we got that, you're going to bend your leg and add a little jump. And that little jump is going to make you not need your hands for this. Jump. Hands down like they're going to touch. And then a little jump. Boom. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is a butterfly. If you don't know what a butterfly is, it looks like this. So to get started, you're going to face the opposite way of the way you're going to go. Bend your legs, drop your chest, and kind of make like an upside down rainbow or a smiley face. Down. And then you're going to eventually go up. Down, turn the way you're going. Make sure your weight starts on your farthest leg and ends on the other one. Make sure you're bending your legs at the same time. Down, up. That's going to turn into a jump in a second. You're going to go down, 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 kick, jump. That's the order it's going to be. If you jump before the kick, it's not going to look good. Down, kick, jump. You're going to try to get your body horizontal. You're going to really want to throw up with your chest because that's going to give you a lot of height. And you're going to want to kick that leg up before you jump, okay? And now we're going to do the whole thing. And you're going to have to switch your legs. After you leave the ground, switch the legs so you can land. So, smile, kick, switch. Smile, kick, jump, switch. Alright, now we're going to turn this into an aerial. And here's how. We're going to do a new takeoff. This time you're not going to do the smiley face, but you are going to put the weight on the farthest leg first, still bending, and you're going to switch to the other one. And your arms are going to look like this. Pow! So from this angle, pretend I'm doing my aerial towards the camera. Shift the weight over. And this is an upwards motion. Once you get to here, it's an up motion. Do not keep twisting, or else you're going to do an aerial with a full turn in it. And if you don't have your aerial yet, you don't want to go there. Okay, now that you understand that takeoff, instead of going down, up with our chest, we're just going to go down and still let your legs be horizontal. We're not trying to go for the aerial yet. So it looks like this. That's it, not a huge change. You're just not picking up your chest this time. And we want to make sure that we're not going power down. We're just gently putting our head down here. It should not be a force. We're not trying to end up head on the ground. We are still jumping. We are still kicking. Kicking and jumping. Remember that order. Maybe think about kissing your knee. Now that you have that, we're gradually going to drop our head even more and bring our legs up even more. The final product should look like this. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Also, something else I noticed that people do that's not correct is bringing your chin to your chest. That's going to make you like tuck into a forward roll. That's not how you want to land. You want to look at the ground. Even put your chin out a little bit. Spot the ground. Where is it? If you're still struggling with power for this, some good drills would be backwards kicks with confidence. If you are scared of knocking your leg out from under you, that's a good thing. Go ahead and knock it out. See? If your leg is like sliding backwards because you're kicking so hard, that's a good thing. That's how hard you want to kick. Make sure your jumps are good. Jump all the way through your whole knee, all the way through your toes. Bend, straighten, up on your tippy toes. Bend, straighten. Now bend, straighten, jump. Bend, straighten, jump. Now remember, the kick comes before the jump. Kick and jump. Just keep practicing. If you don't even have the butterfly yet, just keep little tiny bits. Go back to the beginning. Whew. That's all. You're just slowly bringing up your confidence. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you somehow. If it wasn't helpful at all, let me know in the comments below. If you got this, I would love to know that. And I say tag me in a video, but I don't think you can tag people in YouTube videos. Maybe you can. If you can, then tag me. Okay, bye. Subscribe if you want. My birthday is coming. Subscribe for my video. Thanks.